Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Before we begin, it is important to note that once your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you have downloaded any important information or photos you want to keep. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Then go to the account settings by clicking on the arrow in the top right corner of the screen and selecting Settings. Then select Your Facebook Information from the left-hand menu. Select Deactivation and Deletion, then Delete Account. Re-enter your password and select Continue. Delete account again to confirm. Please note, the process may take up to 14 days for the account and information to be completely removed from Facebook. During this time, your account will be deactivated and you will not be able to access it. That's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted. Remember, once you delete your account, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you have downloaded any important information or photos you want to keep before you delete it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.